ChatGPT is a wonderful tool to help you improve your language skills, especially when you're learning another language like me. I'm currently learning Spanish, and I can use ChatGPT in a multitude of ways to help me improve my Spanish. So I can say things like, let's chat in Spanish. I'm learning the language and want you to ask me to fill in the blanks for sentences about breakfast. And so I can be as particular as I want, and you'll see ChatGPT completely switches languages here. So now it says, perfecto, vamos a practicar. Te daré oraciones con juegos para que las completes con la palabra correcta. Todos estarían relacionadas con el desayuno. I don't know if any of that was right. I understand some of these words. My Spanish is not very good by my pronunciation, as you can tell, but here it says, por la mañana me gusta tomar un vaso de, and I'm not sure exactly what should go here. So I can say, make it easier and give me instructions in English, right? And so I can actually work my way through this, and so now it'll give me instructions in English where it says I'll give you some easy Spanish sentences about breakfast with blanks. You just need to fill in the missing word like bread, milk, or coffee. So now it says por la mañana bebo, and I can think, is it bread, milk, or coffee? Now I think 5 questions at a time is a little too many, so I'll say, let's do 1 question at a time. And now it'll say, por la mañana bebo, and then it says, what do you usually drink in the morning for breakfast? What's your answer? And now I can type in coffee. It'll ask me if I want to log in. I'm going to stay logged out. And then it says, in Spanish, that sentence would be, por la mañana bebo café. In the morning, I drink coffee. And then it says, are you ready for question number 2? And I can just say yes. And now I've made this sort of miniature game to learn Spanish. So it says, como blank con mantecala. It's something you eat with butter, very common for breakfast. So I think it's pan, which is bread. Excelente! And so now it tells me the full sentence is como pan con mantecala, meaning I eat bread with butter. And now I can continue to go through these different sentences. I can also ask it for a larger word bank. I can say, can you tell me 5 words in Spanish that relate to breakfast? And so now it'll just give me 5 common words with the emojis even. So pan, café, huevo, mantecala, and fruta. This is an easy way to get better at your skills with learning a language. You can do this with any language that is common on the internet, so 100+ different languages. And you can do this just by typing into ChatGPT, and you can always type in a different language as well. So if you are a native Spanish speaker, or French speaker, or Japanese, whatever it might be, you can type into ChatGPT in that language as well and set it to your default. So I can say, change default language to Spanish. And so now you'll see it comes back all in Spanish. And that is how you use ChatGPT to help you learn languages.